So here's question number 3 on your test. So hopefully you guys may watch this video and understand it, and make sure you answer the question after you watch the video. Okay, so number 3 reads, the cost of downloading one song from a website is 99 cents. Which equation can be used to find T, the cost of a download in dollars of downloading songs? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put X and Y. So it says that one song is 99 cents. So I know the number of songs don't depend on the cost. The cost depends on the number of songs you download. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is songs and this is money. So here for one song is 99 cents. Well, I'm not going to put cents because then it's going to get confusing. So I'm going to put the decimal, 99 cents. For 2 songs, it's going to be $1.98. For 3 songs, it's going to be $2.97. So in this case, I am multiplying by 99 cents. So it's a multiplicative relationship because it's already telling you how much it is per song. Usually cost would be multiplicative. So in this case, all I have to do is figure out. Now, since it says which equation can be used to find T, the cost. So this is T in dollars of downloading N songs. So this is N. So the N is the X. So that's something that we needed to make sure that we knew independent and dependent variables. So in this case, N is an independent variable. So I know this has to be N times 99 cents will equal T. So in this case, I would look, I know A and B are incorrect because it has addition. So that's wrong. So it is multiplication. So 99 times N is correct, but 99 times 3 is T is not correct. So in this case, my answer is letter C. Now you do need to be very careful when you're looking at situations because they're going to give you different variables. So because they gave you different variables, you need to figure out which one represents the independent variable, which is X, and which one represents the dependent variable, which is Y. And in this case, we did it. So make sure that you answer the questions after the video.